All right, there. Let's check these eyes. Good coat condition. And just let me see this hoof now. You're looking healthy today.
Good girl, let's get you ready.
A donkey produces only 1 to 1.5 litres per day, explaining the extreme price.
Careful, it's heavy. Where does this one go?
Right here, next to the others. Keep the line moving. This section here confirms the canisters maintain temperature during chilling.
Yes, they were pre-cooled correctly.
Excellent. If you could just sign here.
The world's most expensive milk begins its journey, fresh from the farm to the factory.
All right, keep coming back slow. Watch the clearance on the right. Hold it right there. The temperature log confirms the cold chain was maintained below 4 degrees the entire transit.
Excellent, looks good. I'll sign off on the acceptance now.
here is the pasteurized milk sample.
Okay, placing it in the analyzer to confirm effectiveness. Starting the run now.
The protein analysis confirms the specification. Good.
Batch 412 is cleared for release. pH levels on batch 4 are stabilizing within the acceptable range.
Good. We can initiate the protein assay immediately.
This one's secure. Bring the next one up the ramp.
Watch the side, it's heavy.
All right, moving the third one into position.
Checks complete. Cold chain maintained. Authorized for departure. The premium donkey milk products begin their journey to luxury hotels and high-end food stores worldwide.
I see the deviation here, but where is the sign off for the corrective action?
It's recorded right here in the CCP verification log, signed by the supervisor.
The traceability system updates in real time. We now see the farm origin, processing details, and the current product.
Initial tests show promising dermal absorption rates for the cosmetic base. Good, let's move forward with the stability trials on the new formulation.
All clear at Bay 1. Start the flow sequence.
Acknowledged. Beginning premium milk processing immediately.
The yield percentage is holding steady at 98%.
Good. The night batches are meeting specifications so far.
Good morning, team.
Morning. Sinks are clear.
Let's get the production line moving.
Morning, team. Volumes processed were strong, exceeding targets by 10%. We did encounter minor issues on line 3 that need addressing immediately.
The analyzer seems stable today. Look at the flow rates.
Yes, calibrator levels look good. We should be finished with this run by noon.
The species DNA analysis confirms no contamination.
Batch 7 samples are clear for processing.
Welcome to Yule.
Thank you. The reception area alone is stunning.
Just wait until you see the production line, shall we?
Right there. And this is the bottling line. As you can see, the process is fully automated, guaranteeing consistency.
Yeah.
What about the
Bring the next 3 in.
Watch their hooves on the concrete.
All right, secure that gate. Let's start the machines.
The most expensive milk in the world, produced here every single day.